Paramount's live-action Halo adaptation has yet to debut, but that's not stopping the streamer from renewing the series ahead of its March 24th premiere. On Tuesday, Viacom CBS announced it will work with 343 Industries, Showtime and Steven Spielberg's Amblin Television to produce a second season of the show. David Weiner, known for his work on Homecoming, The Killing and Brave New World, will serve as showrunner and executive producer on the sophomore season. At the moment, those are the only details Viacom CBS has shared. The company didn't say anything about a potential release date. This second season pickup reflects the confidence we have in the power of this epic series to attract and engage viewers, said David Nevins, Chief Content Officer of Scripted Originals at. The early renewal of a promising series isn't that unusual for a streaming service like Paramount. We saw Apple employ a similar strategy in the early days of TV with For All Mankind in the morning show to ensure there was a steady stream of original content making its way to the service. More than ever, the streaming market is highly competitive and companies like Viacom CBS see exclusive shows and movies as an important tool in attracting and retaining subscribers. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.